Hello friends, I am Chandana and welcome you to our channel TrustLogics tutorial. So in today's video, we are going to discuss top trending technologies in 2022. So what does this imply for you personally? What will be the top tech trends of 2022? According to you, it just entails keeping up with evolving technologies and the most recent technological trends. It also entails keeping an eye on the future to determine which abilities you will need to find secure works tomorrow, as well as learning how to get there. Because of the worldwide epidemic, the majority of the global IT workforce is sitting at home. And if you want to make the most of your time at home in 2022, here are the top emerging technology 2022 trends, which you should keep an eye on and try in order to secure one of the jobs that these new technology trends will create. So the first one we are having is machine learning and artificial intelligence. As you all know, artificial intelligence or AI has generated a lot of types over the last decade, but it remains one of the hottest new technology trends because of its significant impacts on how we live, work and play. AI is already well known for its supremacy in picture and speech recognition, navigation apps, smartphones, personal assistant, ride-sharing app, and a wide range of other applications. Aside from that, AI will be used to analyze interactions in order to uncover underlying connections and insights, predict demand for services such as hospitals, allow authorities to make better resource allocation decisions, and detect changing patterns of customers' behavior by analyzing data in near real time, resulting in the increased revenues and personalized experiences. By 2025, the AI market will be worth $190 billion, with global spending on cognitive and AI systems exceeding $57 billion in 2022. New opportunity will be created in development, programming, testing, support and maintenance, to mention a few, as spreads across all the sectors. So now let's move to next. So number 2 trending technology is automation of robotic process, RPA. Robotic process automation or RPA. It is a technology that is like AI and machine learning, which automates jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business operations such as application interpretation, transaction processing, data management, and even email responses. RPA automates tasks that formerly required human intervention. RPA automation, according to Forrester research, will threaten the careers of 230 million or more knowledgeable workers, or around 9% of the global population. However, RPA is also creating new jobs while changing old ones. According to McKinsey, only around 5% of vocations can be completely automated, but roughly 60% can be somewhat automated. So the next number 3 is the use of cloud computing. Cloud computing, which was once a cutting-edge technology trend to keep an eye on, has now become mainstream, with major players such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the industry. As more business transition to a cloud solution, cloud computing use continues to rise. However, it is no longer new technology trend. It's called the edge. Organizations have recognized the limitation of cloud computing in various cases as the volume of data they deal with continues to grow. Edge computing is intended to address some of these issues by providing the latency imposed by cloud computing and delivering data to data center for processing. So the next number 4 is quantum information processing. Quantum computing, a type of computing that takes advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. It is the next notable technology trend because of its ability to readily query, monitor, analyze, and act on data from any source. This fantastic technology trend is also involved in avoiding the spread of the coronavirus and developing viable vaccines. Banking and finance is another industry where quantum computing is being used to control the credit risk, high frequency trading, and fraud detection. So the next number 5 is augmented reality and virtual reality. Virtual reality VR, augmented reality AR, and extended reality ER are the next great technology trends. AR enriches the user's environment while VR immerses them in it. Although this technology trend has mostly been utilized for gaming, it has also been utilized for training, such as virtual ship, a simulation software used to train ship captains in the United States Navy, Army, and Coast Guard. We may expect these kinds of technologies to become much more embedded into our lives by 2022. AR and VR have huge potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even injury revelation. They usually function in unison with some of the other developing technologies we have covered in this list. So let's move to next. Number 6 is blockchain technology. Although most people associate blockchain technology with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, it also provides security in a variety of other ways. In its most basic form, blockchain is data that you can only add to, not subtract from or change, because you are creating a data chain, and the term chain was coined. The fact that prior blocks cannot be changed is what makes it too secure. Furthermore, because blockchains are consensus based, no single party can control the data. You don't need a trustworthy third party to oversee or validate transactions with blockchain. So the next one and last for today is Internet of Things, IoT. IoT is another exciting new technology trend. Many things now include Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing them to connect to the internet and to one another. As a result, the Internet of Things or IoT was born. The Internet of Things IoT is the wave of the future, and it has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars, and much more to connect to the internet and exchange data. We are already using and benefiting from IoT as consumers. We can lock our doors remotely if we fail to do so before leaving for work, and we can preheat our ovens on our way home from work, all while keeping track of our fitness with Fitbits. Despite the fact that technologies are always developing and altering all around us, these 7 technology trends provide exciting job opportunities now and in the future. And if you had the question, what technology should I learn in 2022? Before reading this article, I hope the above mentioned technologies will help you out. What technology should I learn in 2022? And because most of these trending technologies are looking for skilled individuals, now is the time to pick one, get trained, and jump on board while they are still in the early stages, putting you in a position to succeed now and in the future. So thanks for watching my video. Just go and subscribe our TrustLogics tutorial YouTube channel for getting more informative videos like this, and also to know the interview questions which are mostly asked in our job. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you.